Hi there, it's Adam at Fordington's, and today I'm showing you around this 61 plate Toyota Hilux Invincible. It's D-4D 3 litre double cab with the canopy on, finished in black metallic with the contrasting alloy wheels. Great spec on this, including the rear sensors. See, tow bar. Just pressing that and then cab. Now you can't see it too well there, but there is a camera which displays on the rear view mirror, which actually shows for keeping an eye on and what's in the back of it if you maybe had livestock or pets. We've also got cruise control, Bluetooth, climate control, aircon. As I say, that camera just displays on there. If you have a look in the photos, you'll be able to see it. It's also got great service history, really low mileage for its age, just 61,000, and it drives superbly. Front sensors also there if you can see them. But thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. And I do advise it because it is an absolutely superb pickup. I find it very difficult to find one like this. So thank you very much for watching, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.